Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you a very practical Unity tool plugin, the Chromatic Aberration Tool. This plugin allows you to easily add professional-grade chromatic aberration effects to your game, greatly enhancing visual impact and overall image quality. It's extremely easy to use and offers plenty of adjustable parameters, such as offset and color strength. Best of all, it fully supports all Unity render pipelines, so you never have to worry about compatibility. Here are the main features: very easy to use. Freely adjust offset and color intensity, supports URP, HDRP, and built-in render pipeline. Compatible with Windows, Android, and iOS. Reliable technical support. I placed the purchase link for this Unity asset in the video description and in the pinned comment. Feel free to check it out. I hope it helps you in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.